Good morning to all of you. Welcome you all in general knowledge session. Today we'll start with the chapter 10 and chapter 11. Okay, let's start with the chapter 10, that is world famous personality. In this we are going to see about the names of famous personalities in the world. Let's start it. The first one is, yes, he is a Stephen William Hawking. Stephen William Hawking was born on 8th January 1942 and he died on 14th March 2018. Was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, British scientist, professor and author who was director of a research at the Centre for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge. And Hawking was born in Oxford into a family of doctors. Next is Jack Ma Yan. Jack Ma Yan is a Chinese business magnate, investor and philanthropist. He is the co-founder and the former executive chairman of Alibaba Group, a multinational technology conglomerate. In addition, he co-founded Yangfeng Capital, a private equity firm. He makes a first appearance on the Forbes list after his record-breaking $25 billion initial public offering in September. Next is Indian famous business tycoon. He is Azim Hashim Premji. He was born on 24th July 1945. He is an Indian business tycoon, investor, engineer and philanthropist who was the chairman of a Wipro Company Limited. He was named the third richest person in India with an estimated net worth of $31.3 billion US according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. Next is Stanley. His original name is Stanley Martin Lieber. He was born on December 28, 1922 in New York. Stanley was an American comic book writer, editor, publisher and producer too. He rose through the ranks of a family-run business to become Marvel Comics' primary creative leader for 2 decades. Who is he? You all be knowing, right? He is an Indian famous cricketer, MS Dhoni, and his full name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, commonly known as MS Dhoni, and Mahi is a cricket player and was the former captain of the Indian cricket team. Dhoni is a right-handed batsman. The special you can say about MS Dhoni is he is one of the best cricketers on the Indian cricketer team. He is a right-handed batsman. He is the most excellent captain of all the time in the history of cricket. He was the captain of India and the Indian cricket team won the match of ICC World Cup under MS Dhoni's supervision. He is the 11th cricketer to be conferred with the prestigious award of the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award in India. He led India to glory at the inaugural World T20 in 2007 and the Champions Trophy in 2013 and ODI World Cup in 2011. And the last one is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, his full name is Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on October 15, 1931. He was an Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program. He was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was a man of spotless character, determined spirit, profound knowledge and the firm conviction. He was the former Indian president and also known as the Missile Man of India. Hope you understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.